Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, let's see what's going on between your person and the third party. What's the current scenario? So let's start the beginning, the reading. Yeah, your person is completely moving away from the trying to move away from the third party, whatever relationship your person is. If he or she is married to a third person, or if they are in a committed relation with a third person, or if they are only in third party relationship, they are trying to move away from this relationship because their judgment card is coming. So a person is making a judgment about their life, and they are asking for judgment from the universe that what they should do in this current scenario. I feel the person is walking out of this situation. They know where is their son and where they have to go. So they are leaving all those things as are not serving in their life, whether it is their parents if they are stopping them, or their third party that is stopping them, or anyone else who is stopping a person is trying to move away from three of pentacles. I definitely I say the third party situation. So a person is moving away from the third party situation right now. Secretly a person is planning something, but I don't know what they are planning, but it is a secret that will come out soon. But they are planning something because they have planted so many seeds, and they want that fruits from their seeds. They know they have planted their seeds very nicely, and this will definitely give them fruits. They know that you love them, and they have planted their love exactly where it should have been planted. They know that very well, and so your person is planning something secretly, but at present they are not in a you can say the mental, then a lot of mental conflict. So they are not able to actually move forward properly. They want to move forward. They are trying to make a judgment. They are moving away from things that are not serving them, but all these things are giving them lot of tension and pressure and mental conflict. You can say that they need a lot of strength to come out of all these situations. They are holding back whatever thing whatever action they want to take. They are holding that decision of theirs right now, because four of pentacles is something that they have planned very secretly, and it's very close to them only. Oh no, not a single person will come to know what they have planned or what is there in their mind. This is the kind of energy a person is, and they know they have been in the Knight of Wands energy, in and out of situation in your life, continually coming in, coming out. They know that this energy was not very good. No person knows this. See how in there they are crying a lot. They are crying a lot. At prayer person is crying a lot. They want to balance out things, and they want to say this person wants to balance out everything in their life, whether it is with the third party or whether it is with you. They want to balance out at present, even though a person is with the third party, but they are staying like a single and a very single person. I say Nine of Pentacles for me is a single card. So your person is behaving as single only, even though there is a stampede on them of being with the third party, but they are living a life of a single person right now. Again and again I am telling you, a person has made a decision. They have made a decision, or they are in the decision making process. Two of Wands is always a decision making process. A person has to choose between two decisions, so they are making a decision. And the Ten of Swords, again just see the same card, you can see quite similar to this. This person is walking away from things that are not serving them. They have made a decision. They know they don't want to stay in this relationship. They want to walk out from this relation, or maybe temporarily they have walked out of the third party and staying alone, or they're staying with their parents. If they are married, if they are not married, they are not in much talking terms with the third party, because Ten of Swords this person is completely dejected. They don't want to talk to anyone, not even you. They don't want to talk to anyone, because at present they are in the cups of energy. They are feeling their love for you, and they want to explore this feeling of theirs. Okay, what is this feeling? Why I am feeling so much love for you? For you, not for the third party. Why they are feeling this way? They are trying to explore those things, and that's why they are walking away from everything. They are not talking. They don't want to talk to anyone at present. They don't want to talk to anyone. A person is in that kind of energy. See, again and again your person's, this card is only coming Knight of Swords. This person is running away from everything that is not serving in their life. They want to run away. Maybe they are running away from they have went to a different location or a different place to change their mind, because at present they are not feeling good. So they want to run away from all this situation, even from the third party they want to run away, or they may be thinking why they entered into this third party relationship. Even this kind of feeling is going in their mind, and this Knight of Pentacles is coming in reverse. So that's why I feel your person, from past so many years, they have been thinking about walking away from this relationship. From past long time, very long time, they must be thinking about this. See, this person is walking away, but this Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, is a very slow moving energy. So it's, and this is coming in reverse. So definitely a person is not going to take very long time to make a decision right now, but they need their space and they need their time, because sometimes person, when they are alone, then only they can think properly about what is right and what is wrong. They are trying to analyze their life. They are taking some professional assistance also. Maybe they are consulting some tarot card readers or some astrologers. I feel this kind of feeling is there. A person is definitely consulting someone about this long term commitment. If they want to make with you, they are definitely thinking about this. Or if they or if they are in the long term commitment already, what are the options they can explore, what options they can do to end this third party relationship or long term commitment, because life has taught them a very big lesson. You can say that all these lessons they have learned from their third party, or the life has taught them, or the universe has taught them. All those things have made them to seek for answers. Maybe they are seeking answers from their gurus, or spiritual teachers, or from tarot card readers, or something like that. I definitely feel that the person is seeking answers. Now one more card, I please. Yeah, this is a very challenging time for your person. They know this is very challenging situation for them, because they have to make a decision and they are feeling lonely and not very good. They know they need to come in emperor kind of position. They need to charge up, and they need to take action and open up their feelings to you. They know you are waiting for a long time, and they need to open up what is there in their mind, in their heart about you. They need to open up, but they are finding it very challenging to accept this feeling, and very challenging to come towards you. So they are feeling very challenging at this time, and because of third party also, they are feeling very challenging right now. Okay friends, thanks for watching. If you like my reading, then please like and subscribe. Thanks.